Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will study the concept of angles and polygons. And this is of the level of year 7 and 8. So let's start. A question is in front of you. With the help of 3 questions in this video, I will explain you the concept. And then there are more videos. The link you will find in the description. So the diagram is given to you here. The first thing, you just study the diagram even without looking at the question. So the moment we look at these two mark on the diagram, these one I'm talking about, this gives you clear hint that these two lines are equal. And in the triangle, you need to recall, if two sides are equal, then that triangle is called an isosceles triangle. And what is the other property of isosceles triangle? That the sides which are equal, the angle opposite to them. So which angle is opposite to it? This angle. Which angle is opposite to this side? This angle. It means these angles are also equal. This is the property of isosceles triangle, right? So if it is written here x, it means this is also x. What is the other thing you are noticing here? It is this straight line PQ, right? This is the straight line PQ, which you can see here. Actually, I don't want to write on the actual diagram so that you can keep referring to it, what we are talking about. So any angle on a straight line is always equals to 180 degree. So that's why if you look at this 126 and x, all together it makes 180 degree. So to find the angle x, you can say 126 plus x equals to 180 degree. And then to find out x, you can straight away minus 126 from 180. Right? So what it will be? Did you calculate? 54. So x is equals to 54. So you can write here x is equals to 54 degree. Right? Okay, now next question is work out the size of the angle marked y. Now this is marked y. It means I'm talking about this side. So what comes in your mind? Is it easy now? If this is 54, it means this is also 54. Because I have just explained it to you. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal in isosceles triangle. So now which property of triangle you will recall? Angle properties. In a triangle. Yes, you are right. The sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. So we can write here y plus 54 plus 54 equals to 180. Now this is, I'm writing to explain it to you. If you want to skip this line and want to do a little mental maths, it is your choice. Right? So what is 54 and 54? 108. So this will become y. Sorry, I'm writing every step here just to explain so that nobody misunderstand anything. Okay, so now to find out y, I will do 180 minus 108. So it will be what? 72. So your answer of y will be 72 degree. It is saying give reason for your answer. If the same question was asked here, give reason to your answer, you could write here angle on a straight line. How did you calculate the value of x? Using the property that angle on a straight line equals to 180 degree. So what reason you will give here for part 2, where you have calculated y? So you can say the triangle, there are different ways of writing it. You have to explain what do you mean, right? So you can write here the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Right? Hence, two angles are equal. And sum of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So one will understand that you have a very clear concept. How did you calculate it? Okay, so this is one question. This is next question. Now question is saying in the diagram ABC is a straight line. Always read the question carefully. Do not get frightened of the look of the question. Once you will start looking at it closely, one part at a time, it will look very easy to you. So ABC is a straight line and BD equals to CD. So again, in a triangle DBC, I'm talking about this one. In this triangle, two sides are equal. Again, it means it is an isosceles triangle. It means if this is x, then this is also x. Now the question is saying work out the size of the angle x. So I hope all of you understood now, because we have just discussed in the previous question that the sum of the angle in this triangle will be again 180. The main problem was this was not given, but you know it because you know in isosceles triangle opposite angles are same. So now you can easily calculate here, and you can say x plus 120 equals to 180. And then x plus x is what? 2x plus 2x plus 120. 2x plus 120 equals to 180. 2x is equals to 180 minus 120. I am doing every step so that there is no confusion left behind, right? 2x is equals to 60. And then using algebraic manipulation, 60 divided by 2, you can cancel it. So x is equals to 30 degree. And then question is saying find the size of the angle y. Where is y? Y is on the other side, in the other polygon. The polygon which has 4 sides. How? If you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 sides. Do you know some of the angles of a polygon which has 4 sides? What it is called? It is called quadrilateral, right? Quadrilateral. And what is the sum of the angle of quadrilaterals? Yes, you are right. It is equals to 360. This is not given in the question, but you should know this property. Just like you know that the sum of the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degree. Similarly, sum of the angles in a quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. So now, if you look at the quadrilateral which I have covered here with orange or red line, what does it say? Can you easily find it out? You have to find out y. 108 is given to you. 54 is given to you. Do you know this side? Oh, sorry, this angle. Now you know. You know why? Because x is equals to 30 degree. You have just found out here in part 1. So if this is 30 and this is a straight line, we have just seen in the previous question, angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So this part is what? 180 minus 30. So it is 150. Agreed? So now to find out y, I will just add up these 4 angles and put it equals to 360. So I will say y, let me change the color, plus 108, y plus 108 plus 54 plus 150 equals to 360. And now calculator will not be allowed to you because in year 7 and 8 it's not allowed. So you need to add up these numbers. If you can do it mentally, fine, else you can do it vertical addition. So choice is yours. I'm doing it here for you to show in case if you don't know how you will do it. So it is 312. So this is 312 is equals to 360. And you know algebraically to calculate y, I will subtract 312 from 360. So you can do it here. I think simple subtraction to everyone knows. So it is equals to 48 degree. So next question I will explain in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please press like and subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.